How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super clean 96 Silverado short box. I got this truck out of Tennessee. Super clean truck, all original paint. Very nice truck. So all the bumpers, the grill, all in excellent shape. It's got all the original paint on it. Truck's real straight down the sides. It's nice. It's got the sun guards, rain guards on the door. It's got a nice tonneau cover. It's got the sport wheels. It's got burgundy pinstripe, matches the interior. Just a super clean truck. Tell you, it's almost hard to believe it's all the original paint on the truck, but it is. It's real clean under the hood. It's got the 5.7 in it. Got your power steering, power disc brakes, everything. It's got air conditioning, cruise control. It's got all the options. Very clean, original truck. The interior looks just like new. It's got remote mirrors. It's got 150,000 on it. But I'll tell you what, truck looks like it's 50,000. The headliner's excellent condition. All the seats, carpet don't even really show any wear at all. Neither do the seats. Got power seats. Tell you, the inside of the bed doesn't look like it's had anything set in it or thrown in it. It's all really nice, clean under there. They had all the windows, dark smoke tinted. That probably protected the interior in it. Got the full gauge package, AM FM cassette factory stereo system. And there's no cracks or anything in the dash. The carpet's still got the sparkle to it. Floor mats don't even have any wear. Just a very nice, clean truck. Thing fires right up. Got all the delay wipers, everything. I mean, it's got every option I think you could get in this truck. It does have a couple small door dings in the door. I'm gonna have my paintless dent guy come take care of them. All the backup lights, everything works on it. It's got a Flowmaster dual exhaust muffler on it. All in the stock location. It's the only thing that's really been changed on the truck. Tell you, it looks good with the sport wheels. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.